How to remove an item from the cart on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove an item from the cart on Mercari. To do this, the first step is to log in into your Mercari's account, just like I've done here. And so once you're logged in, move to the top right corner where you can see options such as download app, sign up, login, notification bell, and then your cart icon. So once you can see this, click on it. Once you click on your cart icon, you will take to your cart page where you would see all of the items that you've added successfully to your cart. So once you can see this, click on the item that you'd like to remove to open details about the item. So once you click on that item, you will see the option remove at the lower part of the item name. Just click on the remove icon, and then just like that, that particular item will be removed successfully from your cart. So it is that simple. There's no big deal about it. Just navigate over to your cart, select the item, click on the remove option, and then the item will be removed from your cart. It's as simple as that. So go ahead and remove those items today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.